Roll the credits. Hey everybody, and welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging, and all related technologies. This video is part of our 2-minute Tesla series where we give you quick how-tos and modifications for your Tesla Model 3 as well as other Teslas. We will try and keep the video under 2 minutes, but I'm sure as you know by now this isn't always possible. Incidentally, if you are interested in watching any of our other videos on Teslas, as well as electric vehicle charging and other related technologies, check out our YouTube channel. As it's getting to that time of year where it's getting towards winter, everything's getting wet, the floor is getting muddy outside. So we wanted to get some all-weather floor mats to protect the car's interior, and we realised that the standard stock Tesla mats weren't up to the job. So we bought these floor mats directly from Taptes. Taptes are an excellent provider of aftermarket products for Teslas. We got these all-weather mats while they were on offer for $100. I'll include a link in the description below, and you might want to shop around as there are very similar options. Obviously, because we're in the UK, we had to buy the right-hand drive versions. You obviously need to get the version that matches the model of your car. So the mats were delivered in a medium-sized cardboard box. This meant that the back mat is actually folded in half when it arrives. So we left the mat in the house for a while, just so the crease would disappear, and this would make the fitting smoother later on. As you'll see from the video, the fitting of these mats is dead easy. Just take the old mats out. While doing this, we took the opportunity to give the car a good clean so you're not mashing anything into the carpet, and then slide the new mats in place. They're custom moulded to the Model 3 interior, and they are a nice snug fit. One of the things we liked on these particular mats is on the driver's side, the mat extends up the dead pedal. So where you're resting your foot when you're driving, you're not actually getting mud on the carpet. Now I know some of the earlier Model 3s actually have plastic there, but ours is the latest version, but it's actually got carpet on the dead pedal. So we didn't want this to get messed up during the winter months. And so far, they're holding up well. We've had some pretty atrocious weather. We'll drag some leaves and that into the car, and it's dead easy to pull the mats out, give them a clean or hose down, and put them back in place, and it's protecting the car's interior. They do also retain the water in there, so that will be retained and either evaporate off or you can clean it out, and that doesn't soak into the carpet. So again, all really good for protecting the car's interior. I think they look nice, they look inconspicuous, so we're really pleased. So that's it, super easy, really good for keeping your car clean. Well worth it for the $100, I think. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Have you had any good experiences with other mats? Have you had any bad experiences with these mats? Let us know. As always, if you like the video, please like the video. If you want to see more videos on the Teslas as well as electric vehicle charging and other related technologies, subscribe and hit the bell icon. It does really help the channel. Check out our other social media outlets. Let your friends know about us. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.